Before you is the Philips TUH-115 ultraviolet lamp designed for use in germicidal units. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz lamp. Its labeling options are listed on the page on the website. Characteristics. The bulb has two metal bases with two pins on either side. The power is 116 W. Operating current 1.7 A. Radiation power only 28 W. Dimensions. The length of the lamp is 1213.6 millis. Arc length 1199.4 milli. The diameter of the tube is 38 milli. The diameter of the plinth is 37 millimeters. 9,000 hours of service life. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with a soft protection filler inside. We guarantee safety on delivery and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for all types of germicidal systems. Lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets and connectors. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.